Hello everyone, Small Farm 6710, and today we're doing Green Hill Farm Day 18 Season 7. So today we're very busy. Um, we are we are doing a harvest. We're doing the first of our harvest uh, for 2020. So um, it is a winter crop, obviously, winter barley. So it's quite a good crop. We only have about 10 acres to harvest, but it'll be uh, good to get the combine going and make sure everything's running well. So we have the 8070, first time out of the shed. Well, first time use seen out of the shed apart from last episode. We have it all serviced up, and everything's all prepared. So that's following the Land Rover with the header trailer. I just built the header trailer before I started the video, so that's built there. And then John is just putting some bale twine into the bale net into the class baler. He's just checking everything's going. I think he's going to check all the chains and everything. And then the Fast Track 2150 is on the cane grain trailer. And then Daniel's just making sure the ram is going up quick. And he's greasing up the ram. There's the JCB digger we borrowed. That's just parked there. But we will be starting once we have our harvest done. Well, not all of our harvest, but the harvest we're doing today. The Internat is parked there, and then the TW30 is parked on the second grain trailer, the backup one. But it'll be still on the go. We're sounding straight away to the grain store. So they're doing silage outside, so that's what the sound is. Yeah, the silage crew is out here, so we have PJ's 3140 and his silage trailer, following a Fendt 818 and a Kane Classic, and they have their Class Jaguar and their JC 409S. And then here there's a Voucher T234 Versu. So on a New Holland 1290 Baler. So yeah, they're going there at the moment. On the bale straw. And here we have a 79 John Deere 7930 on a load of straw bales in the back. And as you can see, it's going onto the new road. They have put the markings on it, so it didn't take them long. So all that needs done is the hedge. So yeah, now there's been a bit of an accident at the quarry now. There's a new driver, apprentice at the quarry here. So he went around the corner too fast, and the load is quite heavy, and he tipped it over. But there's not much damage done, as you can see. It's kind of designed if anything was to go wrong. So we should have a backup runner, but hopefully he learned his lesson. So the JSP Fast Track is parked on the dumper. It will be helping when we're doing clearing up the field. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and hope you liked it. The action for the harvest. It's nice to see the combine out, and I'm not sure if the county will use for much, as it's not really a road tractor, but you might get it to do something like, I don't know, a bit of baling or something, straw carting. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, have a good day.